French Ministry of Interior, police officer and gendarmerie officer from the SWAT team are now equipped with the latest generation of military equipment, including assault rifle, pistol, bulletproof vest and helmet. There is an increase of threats for these police officers. They need new equipment to perform new counter-terrorism operations.
Good morning, I'm David, the Marketing and Sales Manager of NBC SYS. So NBC SYS is a subsidiary of Nexter, and we are full dedicated for equipment against cyber and threats. Our range of product is very wide because we have some product beginning with individual detection of biological and chemical agents. After we have some product for individual protection, gas mask, hoods, filters, also for collective protection, filtration, CBRN filtration, or anti-tear gas filtration for police vehicle. And finally, we do also decontamination system for vehicle sensitive equipment and personnel. We have a concept specially dedicated for the protection of population against chemical incident, let's say industrial incident. It's a concept of evacuation of population called EVATOX. This is this yellow hood. This concept permits to protect all the families. It means adults, children, and also we have a model for babies. This is roughly unique in the world to have this complete system to protect the population. And we have also a system to protect the first responder, like this hood. And this is also a model especially designed for the civil defense. In fact, this product was developed some years ago, already distributed in different countries. It's a concept distributed by the fire brigades.
Good morning, thank you very much for your visit. Then I am Olivier Gualdoni, the CEO of DroneVolt Group. DroneVolt is a French manufacturer of drone. We are based in France. We develop and also we produce, we assemble our product in France, but also in Holland. I would like to introduce you, if you want, our latest Hercules 10 UF. Then this model. This model is a little bit special because, first of all, it's a tethered drone. It means you can fly with this drone 24 hours 7. This drone is tethered to the power station. In fact, it's not a power station, it's a transformer. And there is also, you can see, the winch, where you have 100 meters wires. The good thing is also is a camera. I think, we could have a look on the camera because, the drone, in fact, is very important because it's the vector in order to be 100 meters high, but what is very important is all the technical capabilities of the Pensar. The first application of this drone will be done in order to detect some potential security issues. Then in fact, what is really interesting with this drone, it's the AI is embedded. It means there is no connection, especially between the drone and another server. The Hercule 20, it's a heavy lift drone. We can carry 15 kilograms payload. We have also the heliplane. Then the heliplane, is a VTOL model. It means, you will have for this drone a long range. You can fly roughly 60 minutes. And the average speed is something like between 50 to 60 kilometers per hour. It means, the mission then can be between 50 to 60 kilometers.
AMCO is a part of the LBA group, as you said, and it's a producer, French producer of anti-terrorist security access systems. The unique design of the company is the fact that all of our products are tested by crash tests. We have a really large range of products from the lowest to the highest resistances, and that's one of our forces. All the products are tested in real condition by an independent companies. We have protected notably the Eiffel Tower, the European Parliament in Strasbourg. Here you have two types of products from the AMCO company. One retractable bollard. It's a little bit because we are in Milipol. It's difficult to take big product, and this is a rod blocker. Everything is tested by crash tests. We have also fixed products.
Hello, welcome to our booth. We are SCROME, a French company that is 32 years old. We are specialized in optomechanical and optronical systems with high precision. Our historical products are mostly mortar sights, sniper rifle sights, and naval applications, bow sighters also. And more recently, we've moved towards electronical systems, optronical systems, such as thermal cameras. We are working, and we've been working for the past 2 years on a new variable power scope, which is a first for us, which is this one. This is Octo, a 1-to-9 variable power scope, really oriented towards designated marksmen, to allow the marksman to patrol, to be safe and able to react on short distance threats during a patrol, and also by zooming to engage further targets further away in his main mission. And accompanying this new scope, we have a new system based on our experience on thermal cameras which are designed to withstand the most extreme recoiling weapons, such as 12.7 sniper rifles. And we developed the KIR, which is a clip-on system, very finely tuned to allow the sniper rifle and the sniper scope to stay exactly the same and to perform exactly the same way, just through thermal vision. Since it is designed to work on semi-automatic rifles, sniper rifles, we worked the ergonomics around that. So the wind edge turret, instead of being traditionally on the right side of the scope, it's on the left side, because most users will be right-handed and will use their left hand to set the scope. We also are one of the rare companies to use AA batteries on our day scopes, just for the illumination of the reticle, because we believe it is important for the soldiers, and we are more oriented towards soldiers at the moment. It's important for the soldiers to be able to change the battery on the go, really easily, even tactily, and to find the batteries anywhere. In the worst part of Africa, you will find AA batteries. So yeah, we really are working towards offering a little bit different solution and ergonomics to the soldiers, and trying to take into account as much as possible of their needs into our design.
TRACIP is a French company, and we are legal experts, and we produce French laboratories, mobile laboratories for examination, for investigation. This one behind me is dedicated to fast DNA analysis, and it is patented by French gendarmerie. This kind of mobile laboratories is able to identify victims of disaster. It has been used in France during Nice terrorist attack and Germanwings airplane crash in the Alps a few years ago. It could gendarmerie could identify victims in very few hours on the spot, directly in the field, with all the equipment of a laboratory for DNA analysis. Okay, we have three separate areas. The first one is outside, just this on the left part, and cadavers are prepared, and they take operators are taking samples of blood or flesh and are putting these samples on a plate. They use a special swab, which is called microfloc, and this swab makes it very fast because it is not a classic one. This swab is including chemical agent on it, and it starts the process of DNA analysis with it. And then we pass to the third one on the right part, yes, and samples are analyzed in special equipment, which is Thermo Fisher equipment, mainly used in classic laboratories to make analysis. So this is the third area where you put all the ready-to-use plates and where analysis is done. Every area is connected to the other one by an intranet network, and data are shared by all operators inside the mobile laboratory. BEM company is a partner with TRACIP. We are together in the eastern part of France, and we provide this kind of new equipment, which is a mobile security container, which provides the ability to control crowd when it is necessary to filter people in a stadium, for example,